911, what is your emergency?
Yeah, I'm about to get freaky with this girl, but I'm in her bathroom right now because I'm nervous.
Hurry up, Jimmy. What's the holdup?
Oh god, she thinks I'm an expert.
Okay, sir, calm down. Have you done this before?
No, I've never done this, and I told her I could last a while.
Okay, sir, in order to last as long as possible, you're going to need to think of something unpleasant.
Oh, okay.
Okay, imagine she looks like the girl from The Exorcist.
I mean, she kind of bad, low-key, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, you're right.
Ah, see, I knew it.
Alright, focus up.
Okay, my bad.
Alright, imagine she looks like your grandma.
Oh, that's perfect. I'm gonna try that.
Alright, you got this.
Oh, there you are.
Hey, Grandma.
Oh my god, you got my eye! What the actual fuck?
I'm sorry, I thought that would work.
What would work?
The 911 operator gave me advice and told me to think of my grandma.
Your grandma?
Stop saying her name.
Bro, what the fuck?